take a moment to settle your body. You don't need to change anything. You don't need to fix yourself. Just notice where you are right now. Let your breath arrive naturally. Not deep, not forced, just real. If your body has been holding tension, let it go. It doesn't have to stay alert anymore. You are not in danger. You are not being watched. Nothing is being asked of you. Right now, you are safe. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw release. Let your hands rest. If your nervous system has been running fast, if it's been waiting for the next problem, the next demand, the next moment you need to brace, tell it gently. You can stand down now. There is nothing you need to prove here, nothing you need to earn. Safety is not a reward. It is your natural state. Imagine your body realizing this, cell by cell, muscle by muscle. Warmth spreads through your chest, steady, quiet, contained. Your breath slows on its own. Your heartbeat finds a calmer rhythm. You are allowed to feel held. You are allowed to feel supported. You are allowed to rest without guilt. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Bring it back to this simple truth. In this moment, I am safe. Let that truth settle deeper than thought, deeper than memory, into the body itself. Stay here for a few more breaths. Nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just safety, just stillness, just you.